TearaShanice, and I'm back with a hair review video. Now this video will be my unboxing video of Allove hair. So I'm so excited to do this video. I've been meaning to do it for so long. And I'm not gonna hold y'all up. I want to try to make this quick as possible because I'm not the rambler type of girl to keep talking through our videos. So, you know, I'm one of them girls who watches videos who want to just get to the point and make it is what it is. So, if you're new to my channel, I'm Tiara and this is TearaShanice. Haven't yet done so, please subscribe to my channel. And at the end of this video, if you do like it, give me a thumbs up and turn the notification button on so you will be notified of when I do post. So without further ado, let's get into this video. I do have Allove hair. Now I received this hair within about a week. It didn't take long to actually come in. Everything going on, I did receive this hair pretty fast. It took about a week, probably about within 3 to 5 days. It didn't take too long. It does say Allove hair on the back, your best choice on the 2 sides. And it does show everything to kind of take care of the hair on the back of the box. I don't know if y'all can see that, but yes, everything is on the back. So I am going to open up. I haven't opened it up, peeked, or anything since receiving the hair. So this is all our first time seeing the hair. So I'm kind of like nervous a little bit. So I am kind of nervous. So, okay, opening up the box. This is what it looks like on the inside. This is... It says Allove, wow, open with surprise. Okay, I'm curious of what's inside. And it just says thank you and everything. It's like a little sweet note and everything. They give their IG and everything else. You can get some points and stuff like that if you do all the extra stuff like make a video and everything else like that. So yeah, that's kind of sweet. Email address, WhatsApp is on the back. So I'm gonna put that over there. And it's the hair. Okay, there's some more stuff in this box, but it's just, that's about it. It's just a cap, which is always needed, you know, so I never can go wrong with that. But I'm gonna put the box to the side because we're going to get down to the nitty-gritty with this. So this is a 24-inch body wave, and I believe this has a bang to go with it, y'all. This bag is so big, y'all. I'm so excited. So it does give you all the information at the bottom of the bag. And I love bags because you can always go back and restore your hair, which is always needed. And of course it comes with a hairnet. Y'all, this is so pretty. Like, do y'all see this? Do y'all see this? Like, oh my goodness. Like, it's so uniform. Like, okay, it has like a weird smell to it. Yeah. It definitely has a smell to it. But yeah, this is the hair. And it's packaged very nicely. It looks like nobody actually touched it. I'm going to take the nets off, y'all. Those are the bangs right there. I'm going to take the net off, put it to, oh my gosh, y'all, this is so pretty. Do y'all see this? And look at me messing it up with my fingers. That is so pretty. That is so pretty. That's like the best thing about body wave hair. Like, it'd be so pretty when you take it out the package, but when you start wearing it, like, you mess up all the curls, all the pattern, and everything else like that. But I am going to take the paper out from underneath it. And I think I really like this hair. So a lot of people don't really know too much about a fringe bang, but y'all, I think this has like a fringe bang. Like, this is gonna be really cute. Like, cause it's longer on the sides. Like, I wish, let me try to show y'all. If I can get it together, try to. So it has like longer pieces on the sides, and both sides has longer pieces, and in the middle is like that, which is perfectly fine because I do not like thick bangs. You know, you just want it like kind of fringed a little bit. So this is going to be so extremely cute. I'm gonna open it up and show y'all the inside of the hair, which I need to see because I haven't seen this hair. Okay, so it has the two combs and of course the middle piece at the top. That's what it looks like at the top. And it has this at the bottom, y'all, and this net looks so sturdy. It's not like, you know, you can see it. It's not like one of those other ones that's just lace. Like, this is actual fabric. Like, it looks like it will last for a long time. Yeah, it's actually a really nice cap. Like, it's a really nice cap. But that is exactly what it looks like in the inside. And of course, you got your elastic right here to make it tighter. And yes, this hair is so soft. And I believe this is 180 density. Like, you can see it is really, really thick. It's not like too thick, but it's thick enough. Like, it's definitely a good density. Like, definitely a good density. This hair is like super soft. It's really soft, and I'm not getting no tangling. I got one strand, so it's, you know, usually when you get like a couple of strands at first just by doing this, you may have a little bit of shedding, but you know what? Who cares? Every hair sheds, so I'm not really, you know, worried about that too much. But this hair is like super soft, y'all. Look at this. I'm gonna be looking good, but I am gonna try to hold it up against my hair. I will be doing an installing video on this, so y'all have to be on the lookout for that. Well, I will do an actual review. So I'm gonna stand up again. And of course I have it up to my hair. Just the actual wave pattern is gonna be right there. If you pull it out, it's gonna be all the way down there. Which once I actually put it on, it may be a little bit shorter because, you know, I do have it down like this, but when you put it on, it's going to be like this. So, but y'all can see how good and nice this hair looks. I do have a snag right here. I'll just try to run my finger through, and it looks like it may be some of the thread. Y'all can see it a little bit. So, I may have to cut that. So, because I don't want to be combing through it and then it get a snag. But yeah, it has a nice brown color. Like, on screen it looks black, but it has well, it does look kind of black a little bit, but yeah, it does look kind of black, but it's really nice, soft, silky. It has a good shine to it. The ends aren't bad. I don't know if y'all can see it too much. The ends aren't bad at all. At all. Now the ends feel a little bit, it don't feel rough, but you can tell it has a little bit more texture to it than the top of the hair, the rest of the hair. But it's definitely full. Like, it's not like you're going to be wearing it and you see tracks. Like, y'all can't see none of the tracks, like, at all. And that's a big thing, because a lot of these wigs, when you put them on, you can see all the tracks because it's so thin. But this hair is actually a really decent wig, and I'm excited about putting it in. Definitely excited, and I'm so happy the sides are full, because this is going to be real nice. So I cannot wait to put this on. And again, this is 24 inches. A body wave, and it is from Allove Hair. So, and I had Allove Hair before. I think, I don't know if it was off of AliExpress, but this is just Allove Hair Company. So this is not an AliExpress hair vendor. So this is just Allove Hair Company. And this hair actually feels really nice. Like, it feels really nice. It definitely has that silkier texture if you're into that. It definitely has a silkier texture. And not like one of the natural texture. It definitely feels more natural at the bottom, but it does have like a silkier texture at the top. But the color is good so far. The length is good. The wave pattern is good. It looks full. Like, you cannot even see my arm, y'all. This is like on my arm. You cannot see my arm. But yeah, I'm so excited about that. I'm so happy the bangs aren't thick, y'all. I was so scared. I was like, but I've been into the bangs a lot lately. I feel like bangs are really cute right about now. And I also love a wig that I can just pop on. Like, all this glue down and stuff like that, y'all, that is too much. But pop on, I'm all with that. So closure wigs and stuff like that, I'm for it. So yeah, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching my video. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, do that right now. I'll wait. Okay, y'all should have did it by now. So yeah, so I will be looking for y'all in my next video. Again, this was Allove Hair Company and a 24-inch body wave. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see y'all later. Bye.